Hello and welcome to an OraCloud Plus Training as a Service video snippet. Learn to use and configure Oracle's Fusion Cloud applications in minutes, not hours. Hello and welcome to the My Receipts sneak peek video. This video takes a quick walk through the UI and will then show how to add quickly a purchase receipt transaction. So as you can see here, we are logged in to the seated demo environments. This is Calvin Roth. He's a procurement user. We're in the procurement offering. It displays all of the different procurement cloud, what are either called apps or also called functional work areas. One of those functional work areas is My Receipts. When we click that, it takes us to the My Receipts functional work area homepage, which you see here. Because it's My Receipts, this page lists all the open PO line quantities that belong to this particular requester, which you can see here. It doesn't show me let me see if this shows me. Sorry, I thought when I go here, it should show me, there we go, Calvin Roth. So that's what you see here. So this is all the different or open PO schedules. Let's take a quick look over here before I show you how to enter a receipt. This is the task panel. And you can see here, I could go into manage receipts, which is essentially very similar here, but allows me to search for everything or particularly the receipts I've already entered. It also allows me to do the returning or correcting of receipts. Let's say, for example, I create something here and it doesn't work out well or it's incorrect. So let's close that. I really haven't talked too much about saving. If I wanted to save these different searches, so you can see here, I could do last 30 days, and then I could save that as my default, right? I have some optionality there. If I wanted to, if I have hundreds or thousands of PO lines, I could slim that search here. It is important to notice or to know that you have to be the requester in order to see these PO lines. So if somebody's requesting on behalf of somebody else, if John is requesting on behalf of Susan, Susan will see these because Susan is actually the requester, even though John did the requisition. Okay, so lastly, let's select one of these lines and we're going to create a receipt before completing this video. So I select one of these particular lines. I'm going to note that I'm going to receive that line. And so I've got some fields here that I can come through and enter. I can have a quantity of 1. I could show that, right? I'm blind receiving here, but if I wanted to have that receipt, if I had a way bill or packing slip, I could do that. You see the PO here. There's only one small difference. If I decided I would like to put a description in, this format doesn't work so well, but if I click this edit pencil, you'll see there becomes available a description field, and you can type in your description on that particular box should it open. There we go. All right, so here's my quantity, each's, way bill, but I now have this note field here, and I could add that note as such or as required. Okay, so once I've completed this information, all I need to do is click submit, and that actually submits this receipt, and that's how you create a receipt with this functional work area. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you found it informative, and thank you for watching.